that, I'm gonna check out the Cat Cafe MOCHA here in Ikebukuro. So we're gonna have the time to play with some cute cats. However, we both have a cat allergy, so we took our meds before heading in, and let's find out how it is in the Cat Cafe MOCHA. Yeah! Magical slipper machine. You push that one. Here? And then you can earn some slippers. Sanitized. Sanitized slippers. Next step is you need to sanitize your hands. A couple of cat rules to follow. You're not allowed to chase them, don't carry them, don't give them food or drinks.
All you can drink for $3.50.
That's not bad. Oh, I can take tissues. So for 350 yen, we can have all those drinks on free refill. This is Hello time. Oh, that's our drink bar, so we can have whatever drinks we want.
What'd you get?
Tea.
Delicious.
Other side, kitty power. We're kind of stylish, so when we get the treats, all of the dresses might be dirty, so that's why we got pretty stylish aprons here. Get all cute. This is gonna get into fashion. This is gonna be the thing. I don't even think I can put my head through this. We'll start. Okay, we need to stand while we give out the treats.
Oh no.
Oops. Stand right at the edge, and then give it them to them with a little spoon. Delicious food. They already know. So many treats. Oh, oops. Oh, look at oh, I want a cat now. So cute. Oh, it'll be a cat now. You can also lend like little cat toys and hopefully they come and play with you.
I won't knock over another drink.
Oh, bless you. It's okay. Things happen. Oops. Oh, what did you do? Don't wash anything. Follow me because of the camera strap, you can see it. It's that thing here, right? Yes, it's that thing here. What?
I miss my Mau Mau.
Oh.
Mau Mau's just a basic Mau Mau. He's gray, all gray. Solid gray. Do we need to go?
The little beans. We also have a large selection of mangas here, so you can read a couple of mangas in case you don't just want to play with the cats. Oh, they're all so cute. Starting. Still love cats though. This smells like angelic pretty. What do you think? Clean time. Also, they have chargers for pretty much all phones here, and you're allowed to use them while you're at the cafe, so you can recharge your phone before you go somewhere else. Is there a way to project it? But I also don't want to sneeze all the time.
You just have to find the right one, and you won't be allergic to it.
Exactly. You just have to find the right cat. Slippers in. Bye bye slippers. So you can use those ones here to get the cat hair off you. Bye bye cat hairs. And this one here if you want to smell better, you got some Febreze. So that was Cat Cafe MOCHA. If you come to a cat cafe here in Japan, be sure to follow the rules so you don't upset the cats and stuff. We had a great time. We were just a little bit ill.
My eyes burned.
Yes.
But it was so fun.
They were so cute, they were so adorable, loved them so much. Be sure to check out Batty's channel, because we're going to go now on Cat's channel. Be sure to check out Cat's channel, because I'm going to take Cat on a little surprise now. So I'm
scared.
I'm telling it what it is, but be sure to check out her video on her channel, so you find out what the surprise is. Here, there will be links here and here and here. Top right, the eye. Click the top right. There we go. So, thank you very much for watching. Any questions about cat cafes, let me know. Leave us a comment and catch you soon. Bye. Yeah.